Dear IM2 student, today we will work on naming polynomial, day 1. Right? So then in order to name our polynomial, we need to name it in terms of degree and in terms of the number of terms. So then let's start with our degree first. Right? So then x to the 0, and this is give us 1, so then this is called a constant term. Right? And when x to the 1 power and the degree, this is called our linear degree, and x squared, this is quadratic, and x to the 3rd, this is called cubic, and x to the 4 is called quartic, and x to the 5th is called quintic. Right, and anything greater than 5, which, so for example, x to the 6, we just call it the 6th degree, and so on. Right? Now, in terms of the number of terms, okay, so when we have one term, so then we would call this our monomial. When we have 2 terms, then we call this our binomial. Right? And for a 3 term, then it's a trinomial. And for a 4 term, then we call this a quadnomial. And anything greater than 4, then we would just give it a number. So then for, say for a 5 term, so then we just call it 5 terms, right? And so on. Okay, so let's go through our first example. So example 1, we have 2p to the 4th power plus p to the 3rd power. So then in terms of the degree, we're looking for the term with the highest exponent. So then this is a degree of 4, right? Okay. So then for a degree of 4, so then this is a quartic. And then here we have 2 terms, right? So then we have a two term, so then it's a binomial. Okay, so then the name for this expression is a quadratic binomial. Okay, and example 2, so here we have a 1 term. So then notice how the exponent is 1. Right? So then here we have a degree of 1. So then this becomes a linear, and we only have 1 term, so then it's a monomial. Right, so then the name for this expression is a linear monomial. Okay, example 8. Number 8, see that we have only a number 1. Okay, so imagine that there's an x to the 0 power here. Right? Okay, so then x to the 0 power, so then, well, the degree is a 0, and we have 1 term. Right, so then this is called a, my mistake, is degree 0 is a constant, and this is a monomial, so the name for this expression is a constant monomial. And our next example, number 11. Notice that we have a polynomial, so we're looking for the term with the highest degree. So then this is the highest degree, so the degree for this expression is a 5. Right? Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 terms. So, right? Okay, so then for the degree of 5, so then this is called a quintic, 5 terms polynomial. Oops. Okay, I saw my mistake. Not a 5 term, but it's a 4. It's a 4 term polynomial. Okay, my mistake. Right. Okay, and then it's a 4 term polynomial, so we can change it into a different name. So it's called a quintic quadnomial. Okay, so then so that's the end of our lesson for today.